Let's go to our judges. All right. Well done, guys. Anggun, you're looking a little teary over there.
I actually promised not to cry tonight. What really makes me fall in love with you, with your performance, is the fact that the possibility of messages that you can put is endless. Endless. And tonight you raise awareness of how important the Mother Nature is. You know what? Our job as entertainers, we are here to entertain people, but if we can raise awareness on a subject that really matters, that makes our job more noble. And that, again, to you, wonderful performance.
All right, David?
Your message is so clear every time you're on the stage. It's so beautifully profound. And you know, obviously the world could use more people like you. You're so on point. There's 13 of you. In America, at least, 13 is an unlucky number, but 13 is going to be a very lucky number for you.
Melanie?
The thing that stands out tonight is each time we've seen you, there's been a shorter gap and less rehearsal time, but it's got even more incredible, and that is just down to sheer hard work, your creativity, and, you know, I salute you. Wonderful.
And Vanessa?
Such a moving performance that you guys did. It's very touching, very emotional. And, you know, we as entertainers, artists, you know, whatever, we actually have a responsibility, because when we say something, people will actually listen. And you guys are a great example of that. And just thank you guys for your message. Really, really good.
Great comments from the judges. Thank you so much. Guys, we've got to ask, how do you feel about those comments from the judges? And is this your winning performance?
Oh, this is a dream come true. Setting foot on the biggest stage ever is a winning moment for us. And I would like also to say thank you to Asia's Got Talent for giving us this big opportunity, especially to our judges. We want to be like you someday, who inspire more people. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much, El Gamma, for inspiring us as well. And if they inspired you, Asia, then you want to make them your winner, then SMS AGT7 to your country's hotline on your screen now. And remember, voting lines are open at the end of tonight's show. And if you miss any of those details, just head on over to our website for all the information.
You can also vote for El Gamma on Facebook across the region, or cast your vote on the Asia's Got Talent app. All right, one more time, Asia, for El Gamma, Penumbra!